Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will look at margin trading inside TWM.one using Bybit. What must be configured inside Bybit before placing margin orders? And then we will compare how spot margin and futures margin behave. First, start in the Bybit Unified Trading account. Margin must be enabled before TWM can use it. In this example, cross margin is selected. Depending on your account, you may also see isolated margin or portfolio margin. The key point is simple. TWM does not replace the margin setup on Bybit. It sends orders using the account settings that are already active on the exchange. The first detail to check is collateral. For example, USDT may already be enabled as collateral, while another asset such as TRX may not be enabled yet. This matters for spot margin because Bybit only allows borrowing and margin activity when the required collateral or borrowable asset is enabled on the Bybit side. Now open TRX/USDT in TWM as a spot example. With a normal spot order, the account can only use the available USDT balance. Turning on margin in the TWM order panel is not always enough if the Bybit configuration is incomplete. For a spot margin, long trade on TRX/USDT, the account needs to borrow USDT in order to buy TRX. For a spot margin short trade, the account needs to borrow TRX in order to sell it. Once the required asset settings are enabled inside Bybit, TWM can show the increased available balance, and Bybit can display the borrow confirmation, including the estimated amount and interest information before the order is placed. Futures margin works differently. On futures, you normally do not enable each spot asset as collateral first. Instead, the important settings are the leverage and margin mode for the specific futures instrument. If leverage is set to 1x and the account balance is small, an order may fail because the required margin is too high. If leverage is increased, for example to 10x or 25x, the same order may become possible. Always remember that leverage and margin mode can be different from one instrument to another. So before sending a futures order from TWM, open the instrument, check the leverage, check the margin mode, and confirm that the available balance is coming from the correct unified trading account. The safe workflow is configure margin in Bybit first, verify collateral or borrowable assets for spot, check leverage and margin mode for futures, then place the order from TWM only after reviewing the balance and borrowing messages. That is margin trading with TWM.one and Bybit.